In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate objects with motion paths in PowerPoint. Whether you're working on a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, using motion paths can add a dynamic touch to your slides, making your presentation more engaging and visually appealing. Let's start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't got PowerPoint open yet, go ahead and do so now. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, decide whether you'll be opening an existing presentation or creating a new one. If you're starting from scratch, you can add your photos, tables, or any other content you want to include. This is the perfect time to get all your elements in place before we bring them to life with animation. Next, with your content ready, decide which object, text, or image you want to animate on your slide. Click on that specific item to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box appear around it. This is your cue to start the animation process. Now, we'll move up to the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find various tabs, but for our purpose today, click on the tab labeled Animations. This is where all the magic happens. When you click on the Animations tab, you'll see buttons and options relevant to animating objects and text on your slide. Look for the button that says Add Animation. Clicking this will present you with a variety of animation options. What we're interested in today is the Motion Paths section, which you'll find as you scroll down through the animation options. Click on it to reveal different motion paths you can choose from. Once you're in the Motion Paths section, you'll see options like lines, arcs, turns, and loops. These are standard options that PowerPoint provides, and each offers a different way for your object or text to move across the slide. For example, if you want your object to move in a straight line from one side of the slide to another, you'd select lines. If you want it to move in a curve, arcs might be more suitable. Explore these options and choose the one that best suits the movement you envision for your presentation. And there you have it. Your object, text, or image now follows the motion path you've chosen. Motion paths can add a layer of professionalism and sophistication to presentations, capturing your audience's attention and enhancing your message. So, experiment with different paths and see what works best for you and your presentation style. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this gives your PowerPoint presentations that extra flair.